Hello there. Last week we had the formation of our first hurricanes of the season in both the Pacific and the Atlantic. Now, Hurricane Douglas is moving through the Pacific as we speak. Hurricane Hanna made landfall during the early hours of Saturday morning across South Texas. This storm was a rainmaker. It brought a lot of heavy rain in a short space of time, which has led to some localised flooding, coupled with a storm surge of at least 1.5 meters. And at its peak, gusts of winds were recorded in excess of 104 miles an hour. Now, although the storm is weakening, it's pretty slow moving, so it's still going to interact with South Texas and the border of Mexico as well, and it's still going to produce a lot of heavy rain, potentially 12 to 15 inches, maybe as much as 18 inches of rain. That's just going to exacerbate the flooding issues within this area. So we'll keep you updated on the progress of that storm before it decays. Let's take a look now at what's happening with Storm Douglas. And as you can see, heavy rain and flash flooding as a possibility. That, coupled with damaging winds, could lead to some mudslides across the islands of Hawaii. Now, if we take a look at the position of this storm in the satellite picture at the moment, it's always a tricky one trying to forecast the track of hurricanes as they interact with the islands of Hawaii, and that's because of the geography. There are several volcanoes, and we all know that hurricanes are quite lazy creatures, really. They don't really like interacting with height, and as they come across the land, they will weaken off. So at the moment, it looks likely that this storm will take more of a northerly track, still producing some heavy rain, though, associated with it. We'll keep you updated.